Hi friends, welcome to Delight's English Literature and Rhetorics. Today we are going to see about a short story, The Guest by Albert Camus. Albert Camus, he is a French writer. In this short story we can see the genre of absurdism, and it's published in the collection of short stories in the name of Exile and the Kingdom. This short story, The Guest, is placed in the Exile and the Kingdom collection of short stories. And coming to this summary of the short story, the story takes place in Algeria and begins with two men climbing a rocky slope. One man's name is Baldussi. He is on horseback. He is on the back of horse, and the other an Arab prisoner. His name is named as Arab. He is on foot. At the summit of the hill, a school teacher named Daru watches them climb their way up. She watches them, and there are no students at the school in this time because they stayed home during the blizzard. Blizzard means some function or any organization conducting a meet, that's called blizzard. The two men reach the top of the slope. They come to meet at Daru. They will reach the top and they will meet Daru, the teacher. Baldussi, he is an acquaintance of Daru, tells Daru that he is ordered by the government to take the prisoner. Arab is a prisoner. Arab has been prisoned for the reason of committing crime. That crime is he has slit his cousin's throat in a fight for some grain, and this matter will be conveyed to Daru by Baldussi. As Baldussi is leaving, Daru tells him that he will not take the Arab to Tingwit. Tingwit is a place of prisoners. Prisoners will be there, and they will be in a building. It's a jail. I think it will be a jail. So Baldussi leaves, and Daru tells him that he will not take the Arab off. He will not take the Arab to Tingwit. And the prisoner is probably not a rebel, but by accident only by accident only Arab slit his cousin's throat. Baldussi is angered by this and makes Daru sign a paper that states the prisoner is in Daru's custody. Actually, Daru said to Baldussi that he is unable to take Arab to Tingwit. So Baldussi got angry, and he says that I'm making him in your custody, you take care of this prisoner. In the morning, Daru takes his captive slightly down the mountain and sets him free. So Daru should take this prisoner to Tingwit, but she made this captive slightly down the mountain and set him free. He supplies the prisoner with 1,000 francs. He has done a crime, but the Arab prisoner, he is getting 1,000 francs from Daru teacher and some food, and tells him that Daru teacher tells him if he goes east, he can turn himself into the police in Tingvit. If he goes east, then he will goes to police and he will be arrested. If he goes south, he can hide with the nomads. If he goes south, he will be protected with the nomads and he can hide himself with the nomads. Daru then goes back to the school, leaving the prisoner to make his decision. A while later, Daru looks back and sees the prisoner heading east to Tingvit, mostly likely to turn himself in. I don't know why Arab prisoner made himself to lock himself in that Tingvit place. When Daru looks back at the blackboard in his classroom, there is a message written on it that you have turned in our brother, you will pay. This sentence will be written in French language. Tu as livré notre frère. Tu paieras. This is a French context actually, but after some days I think it has translated by someone else, and this short story's original title is El Hôte, which means the guest and the host. The guest and the host, which ties back to the relationship between the main characters of the story. Camus employs Albert Camus. He employs this short tale to reflect upon issues raised by the political situation in French North Africa. So this is the short biographical context of the author and the plot in this story, and the theme is existentialism and also absurdism. There will be an emptiness in the story, and the title's significance is that it has a significant effect on overall the theme. The guest, the meaning changes dramatically as Daru is merely understood to be a European guest under the watchful gaze of an unseen enemy who views him as an outsider. And thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel for more English literature videos. I will also post my experiences, my personal life experiences in my channel, and if you want any works, just comment below and I will post that video in this channel. Thank you one and all.